Really awesome the street. It's great. Okay, so there's a bit of a drizzle on, but that's fine. We're going to this building over here, the next museum, which is very handy, and then the opera, which is around the corner, and then we're going to a cool place for, well, I hope it's a cool place for lunch, and that'll be today, because I spent a fortune the last 2 days. I spent like 500 quid or something, and I mean, I was going with a daily budget of 100 quid, and it's been 2 days, so museum, opera, restaurant, and then back to chill out, because it's an early morning tomorrow. We have a lot of few things to see before sunrise, at sunrise, photos, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And it's finally starting to rain here. So, don't do what I done and be an idiot and go to the old museum and pay a ticket and then go to the new museum and buy a new ticket. Both tickets work in the same place and there's actually a tunnel that links the two of them together. Yeah, so don't be an idiot like me. So, here's the Opera House. And this is why you were all planned together, because you were all within walking distance of one another. So I don't know if you have to buy a ticket to see a show to get in, or if you can just get in and walk around when there's no shows on.